There was a statement that touched me from a book I was reading by the great scholar 𝗪𝗶𝗵𝘁, Sultan al-Ulama they called him. He speaks about the masalih and the mafasid, the benefits and the harm, in his kitab 𝗨𝗀𝘀𝘁 it's called. And in there he mentioned that the rights that the community have on me is that I raise my children properly. That the rights you guys have on me as your brother is that I raise my children good. Why? Because your children are going to be released in society. If they bring problems, they're going to bring problems to what? To you guys. And if they are good, they bring it to you guys. Who are they going to rob if they take? You guys. So the rights that the community have on you is that you what? That you raise your children properly.